Just a beautiful day here this morning in Sydney. Birds are chirping, and I'm on my balcony ready to start with a little bit of spring gardening. So what I thought I'd do today is when I was out yesterday with my little grandson, we got these little pop-ups, variety of different flowers from Flower Power. And so I thought I'd replant them in these boxes, which I'm then going to, it's getting a bit crowded here, but I've got these cottage garden boxes, and I think I'll put another one along here, and I'll change these ones and put the other one here. These are just my carrots that I think they're ready to be harvested, and that'll give me another spot to have some more flowers. And I've got this little corner of pansies and lobelia coming up nicely. So that's the day for me, and looking forward to having a bit of sunshine, and then in a few weeks having some lovely flowers start to pop